A very happy Constitution Day to one and all. The Constitution of India is the supreme law in India. A constitution is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. On 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect from 26th January 1950. Thereon, the Constitution Day, also known as the Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in our country every year on 26th November to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India.
Law and order are the medicine of the body politics, and when the body politics gets sick, medicine must be administered, said Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Good morning, myself Yashasvi Gulati of class 10D. I'm here to speak on Constitution Day and my opinions on how to celebrate Constitution Day. Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November of every year to celebrate the adoption of the Constitution of India. Constitution Day is also celebrated as the National Law Day or the Samvidhan Divas. And on this day, Constitution was adopted, but the enforcement was done in January, giving a thorough reading from English and Hindi in 2 months buffer time. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a significant role in the drafting of the Constitution. In my opinion, celebrating the Constitution Day as any other national holiday is not just disrespecting to the Indian Constitution, but to all those freedom fighters and the members of the Constituent Assembly who worked hard day and night for the better future of our country. Also, Constitution is not just a book of laws or the lawyer's document. It is the vehicle of life and its spirit is the spirit of age. At last, I would like to say that on this Constitution Day, let all of us know the basic rights and the laws of the Constitution and also aware people about them. Thank you.
Today, I am Lavanya Arora of class 10D going to speak about the Constitution of Telangana. The Telangana movement refers to the movement for the creation of new state, Telangana, from the pre-existing state of Andhra Pradesh in India. The new state corresponds to the Telugu-speaking portions of the erstwhile princely state of Hyderabad. After several years of protest and hesitation, the central government, under the United Progressive Alliance, decided to bifurcate the existing Andhra Pradesh state, and on 7 February 2014, the Union Cabinet unilaterally cleared the bill for the creation of Telangana, lasting for almost a decade. This has been one of the most long-lasting movements in South India. On 18 February 2014, the Lok Sabha passed the bill with a voice vote. Subsequently, the bill was passed by the Rajya Sabha 2 days later. On 20 February, as per the bill, Hyderabad would be the capital of Telangana, while the city would also remain the capital of residual state of Andhra Pradesh for no more than 10 years. On 2nd June 2014, Telangana was created as an independent state. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I Rashika Bandya of class 10th D. I am here on the occasion of the Constitution Day to express my views on Constitution and its importance. A country is run by the government, judicial bodies, its people, and most importantly by the Constitution. The Constitution serves as the backbone of the country. The term constitution got its name as the word constitution means accumulation and gathering of various aspects. All the rules and principles that are to be established are worked up and wrote down in one place, making all the things one single crafted manuscript. The document formed after all this process is known as the Constitution. The Constitution is something that sets the limits and boundaries of the government's interaction and powers. It works as means by which the government in the rule knows as to what extent they can impose rules and regulations on the citizens of the country. Why the Constitution is important? Firstly, it is the basic structure of any government. Secondly, it governs the power distribution. The Constitution defines the power of each organ and let everyone related to a country know about the power that the governmental and legal bodies have. Next, it provides basic rights. The Constitution of a country guarantees some rights and provisions for any individual or a group of people on behalf of which they can ensure their well-being and dignity. Now here we have the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज मैं कैडेट 4वीं पहुजा सेंट एंथनी सेकेंडरी स्कूल अंडर 5 हरियाणा बटालियन एनसीसी गुरुग्राम आपके समक्ष संविधान विषय पे एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कुछ ग्रंथ रखे थे पूजा में, लाल कपड़े से लिपटे, माँ रोज धूप बत्ती करती, सभी पूजा घर में सिमटे। मैंने भी एक किताब सुनहरे कपड़े में लपेटी, ले जाकर उन सबके ऊपर रखती। आंखें तरेर कर माँ बोली, यह क्या है, यह क्यों है, यहाँ सिर्फ पवित्र ग्रंथ रखे जाते हैं। मैं बोली, बात यूं है, ये हमारे संविधान की किताब है, इसे भी रख दो सबसे ऊपर, इसे भी धूप बत्ती दिखा दो, इसे भी प्रणाम करो छूकर। इस किताब को खोलेंगे तो तिरंगी आभा निकलेगी, इस किताब की रोशनी से देश को एक नई छवि मिलेगी। देश चलाती है ये किताब, हर एक का करती हिसाब, सभी धर्मों को एक बराबर खड़ा करती है ये किताब। सबसे बड़ा दुनिया का संविधान हमारा है, सबको हक बराबर का ये सम्मान हमारा है। एक हमारा ध्वज, राष्ट्रगाना एक है, एक ही कानून सबका, बस यही ताना बाना है। हमारा देश है ये, हमारी ही सरकार है, हम ही चुनते अपने नेता, सबको ही अधिकार है। दुनिया में आज हम अपने संविधान के कारण ही जाने जाते हैं, संविधान की वजह से ही सब एक सूत्र में बांधे जाते हैं। हमारे संविधान के कारण ये जग हमें सम्मान से है देखता, अनेकता में एकता, यही है हिंद की विशेषता। माँ ने मुस्कुराकर किताब उठाई, मेरे हाथ में रख दी, बोली इसे बंद न रखो, इसे तो रोज ही पढ़ना, ये किताब ही दिखाएगी राह पे आगे कैसे है बढ़ना। संविधान की किताबें पूजा घर में नहीं, तुम्हारे दिल में होनी चाहिए। अरे ऐसी किताबों को तो रोज ही पढ़ना चाहिए, ऐसी किताबों को तो रोज ही पढ़ना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात। मैं आज कैडेट याजिद सिंधु सेंट एंथनी स्कूल सेक्टर 9 फरीदाबाद अंडर 5 हरियाणा बीएन एनसीसी गुरुग्राम आप लोगों को एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। सुनो सबसे ऊपर, अपने देश में अपना संविधान है, नागरिकों का मान है, बाबा साहेब का अरमान है। देखो इसने ही तो हम सबको एक बराबर लाया है, इसी से हम सब ने जीवन में जीने का हक पाया है। रक्षा करता जीवन की ये हम सबका ये सम्मान है। नागरिकों का मान है, बाबा साहिब का अरमान है। आज अपने देश में अपनी एक सरकार है, अपना नेता चुनने का सभी को अधिकार है। संविधान से ही ये कर्तव्य और अधिकार है। का मान है, बाबा साहिब का अरमान है। ऊंच नीच का भेद नहीं, अमीर गरीब की बात नहीं, गणतंत्र है वतन हमारा, जुल्मों के दिन रात नहीं। अपने ही हाथों में अपने वतन की कमान है, नागरिकों का मान है, बाबा साहिब का अरमान है। नागरिकों की अरमान है, बाबा साहिब का अरमान है। धन्यवाद।